Chapter 9 The King of Fruits. Gopal Bhand was the court jester of Raja Krishna Dev Roy. He was a jolly man with sharp wits. He always entertained the king and other courtiers with his funny comments and behavior. The king also liked him very much. Many stories are told about him. He had a large appetite and never missed an opportunity to eat to his heart's content. He was known to eat enormous quantities of food, especially when invited to feasts. The king was also aware of his habit and frequently invited him on some occasion or the other. One day, the king decided to test his capacity, so he invited him to lunch along with some other persons. In the afternoon, the invited guests assembled at the royal palace. Soon the food was served. The king also made his seat in front of the guests. He declared that the person who would eat the maximum would get 1,000 gold coins as reward. The feast started and everybody began to eat. A variety of dishes were served and the guests went on eating. However, there was nobody who could even think of beating Gopal. He went on eating even when others had retreated. He ate as much as 3 men would have done and then emitted a loud belch. "Enough?" asked the king. "No place for even a grain of rice more," said Gopal. The king smiled and then, turning to the attendants, signaled something. At once, an attendant came in with a big basket full of ripe mangoes. The king asked him to serve the mangoes to the guests. Some took 1 mango, someone else took 2, and so it went on. At last, the attendant reached Gopal. "Mango!" exclaimed Gopal, his mouth watering. He took the whole basket from the attendant and began to eat them. He went on eating and very soon the basket was empty. "How surprising, Gopal!" exclaimed the king. "You said you did not have place for even a single grain of rice, yet you devoured almost a dozen mangoes. How do you explain that?" "Very simple," said Gopal, grinning. "As you know, the mangoes are the king of fruits." "So what?" The king was baffled. "When you walk into a crowded room, everybody steps aside to let your royal person pass. Isn't it, my lord?" "It's true," the king had to agree. "Something similar happened here," Gopal said. "The mango being the king of all fruits, all the food in my stomach made way for it." The king laughed loudly at this witty reply. Then he ordered his minister to pay the reward to Gopal.